So today we are going to start our chapter 1, and that is rational numbers. Okay, rational numbers. So what do you mean by rational numbers? Covered. What do you mean by rational numbers? I have written these terms here on the board. Okay, it's visible to everyone. Right. So these terms are natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and fractions. Right. All the rational numbers are including these terms. Okay. These are natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and fractions. All these are included in the rational numbers. What do you mean by the natural numbers that we have done earlier in the grades? Okay. What are natural numbers? All the counting numbers excluding 0. You don't have to include 0. Okay. All the counting numbers are natural numbers. Correct? Now, what do you mean by whole numbers? All the counting numbers, that means all the natural numbers including 0 are whole numbers. Okay? Before moving to the rational numbers, you must know these terms of mathematics, right? These are very basic terms. This you have discussed in your grade from the 2nd or 3rd grade. Okay? Now, comes to integers. Some students are still confusing today what are integers. So what are integers? Integers are all the positive numbers, all the negative numbers, including zeros. Okay? All the positive values, all the negative values like +3, -2, positive value, negative value, and including 0. Right? So these are the integers. Now, what do you mean by fractions? Fractions are the term which is given you in the form of P by Q. P by Q. P means it is a numerator and Q means it's a denominator. Right? So these all are the terms like natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and fractions. Okay, so if anyone will ask you, what are rational numbers? So you can say that all the natural numbers, all the whole numbers, all the integers, as well as fractions are known as rational numbers. Okay, don't forget this thing. This is the name of your chapter. It's a very basic thing. Okay, very basic term of mathematics. What are rational numbers? Okay, if I'm giving you an example, suppose -2/3. Okay, this is a rational number. If I'm giving you example -7, it's again a rational number. Okay, 1/6, it's again a rational number. 0, it's again a rational number. All these are examples of rational number. These are mixture of all these terms. Correct? Now, then you have discussed in your grade addition of the rational numbers. Okay, addition of the rational numbers if the denominator will be same, when the same denominators they are having, and when they are having different denominators. If anyone will be having any doubt, okay, I'll give you 5 minutes. After discussing some basic terms, I'll give you 5 minutes. Then I'll read the messages. Okay? Some students are joining the class till now. I want to tell you, it's not a time to join the class. At exact 9 o'clock, you have to join the class. Right? Now, rational numbers with the same denominator. Suppose 2/8 and 9/8. This is a question given to you. Very basic question. Okay? These kind of question will definitely come in the exam. Okay? Addition of the two rational numbers. These are two rational numbers. This is also rational number. This is again rational numbers. They are having same denominator. Okay? You know that it's a numerator and it's a denominator. Okay? Now, how we can add that? If the denominators will be same, then you have to write down that denominator one time. Or we can say that LCM of 8 and 8 will be only 8. Okay. Okay. Ankit. Denominator of LCM of 8 and 8 will be 8. Now, after writing 8, you have to add the numerators. 2 plus 9 as it is. Write down the denominator one time and then add the numerators. 2 plus 9, that is equal to 11 upon 8. That will be your answer. Okay? If the concept is having the same denominator. Now, if the questions are based upon different denominators, different. Suppose 2 upon 3 and 6 upon 4. Let's suppose this is a question. Now, different denominators, here is the same denominator. Now, you have to LCM. LCM of 3 and 4. You know that how to take the LCM? You must have done in the previous grades. Say yes, ma'am. Raise the hands. I can see. It's understood by you. How to take the LCM? Right. So LCM of 3 and 4. 3 and 4 LCM will be, you have to take LCM in this way. Okay. It is going on which table? 3 table. Always start with the smallest prime number. It's a prime number. Okay. LCM always start with the smallest prime number. You can start with 2. You can start with 3. I'm going to start with 2 first of all. 2 is not going on 3 table. 3 will be as it is. 2 and 2 to the 4. Now again down 2 table. 2, 3 as it is. 2 ones are 2. Again 3 table. 3 ones are and ones are. It's finished. So LCM will be 2 twos are 4. 4 threes are 12. So your LCM is 12. Your LCM is 12. Right? Now right here 12. You must have done this exercise 1.1, that is 1A in the grade. Right? I'm going to repeat that concept again so that these basic things will be clear to you. LCM of 3 and 4 will be 12. Now how to simplify the numerator? Check it out, the denominator. Okay, 12 is going on 3 table on which number? 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 4 2s are 8. 3 4s are 12. Now 4 is left. Now multiply 4 with 2. 4 2s are 8. Again, come on this side. Okay, 4 3s are 12. 3 6 are 18. Right? In this way, we used to take the LCM. 4 3s are 12 and 3 6 are 18. Now 18 plus 8, how much? 26 divided by 12. This is your answer. Right? So this is a concept of the rational numbers are having same denominator. In the case of same, you have to take the you have to write the denominator only one time and simplify the numerators. It's very simple. If the denominators are different, then take the LCM of those denominators and then simplify the term. Right? Yes. Some students are asking, ma'am, can we cancel it? Yes, obviously. You can cancel it also. Okay? You can cancel on 2 table, 2 ones are and 2 threes are, 2 6 are. Okay? Now, this is fine. So answer will be 13 upon 6. Okay? You can cancel. You can reduce also. Cancelling means reducing the term into more simplest form. Okay? If up to here you will write the answer, that will be absolutely correct in the exam. If you simplify in this, if you will reduce in the simplest form, again answer will be correct in the exam. Right? So this is the basic concept that you have discussed in the grades. Now, I'm giving you, let's start the exercise 1A. First of all, we'll discuss question 1. Okay, I'm going to discuss here only one part, and side by side, I'll give you 2 parts and I'll ask you by name that give me the answer of these parts. Okay, question 1. Question 1 is add the following rational numbers. You have to add rational numbers. Okay, what are the rational numbers? Suppose I'm going to solve second part. In the first part, all the denominators are exactly same. So keep your practice notebook with you. After this part, I'll give you questions to solve, right? Second part is minus 8 upon 12 and minus 5 upon 11. This is a question. Okay? Both are having same denominator. So writing this way, minus 8 upon 11 plus 5 upon 11. 11 and 11. LCM will be only 11. Okay. Now 11 ones are and 1 into 8 minus 8 plus 11 ones are 1 into 5, 5. Okay. You have to write down the numerators as it is. If the denominator will be same. Now minus 8 plus 5. How much? Minus 8 plus 5. How much? Very good. Minus 3 upon 11. Now you can't cancel it. This will be your answer. This will be your answer. Right? Okay. So I'm giving you now. It's understood by you. Resham, when I'll ask you, then you can discuss the doubts with me, right? Okay, I'll give you time for discussing the doubts, right? Now, I'll tell you how much you have to write in the fair notebook. Okay, we'll discuss that also. Now, I'm giving you, yes, some are saying, ma'am, we have to write the minus sign. Why you have to write the minus sign? Exactly. 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay, 8 minus 5 is 3. But you have to check the sign of the bigger value. Which is bigger? 8 is bigger, 5 is bigger. 8 is bigger. Obviously, 8 is bigger. Okay, so 8 is bigger. So 8 is having which sign? Positive or negative? 8 is having negative sign. So you have to write here minus 3. Okay, so minus sign will come of the bigger value. Okay, now I'm giving you just wait. In this question, I have solved this question with having one is having negative sign. In your book, both are having negative sign. In your book, why your answer is minus 30? Some are saying my answer is minus 30. Both are having negative sign. No worries. We have taken example. Okay. I have written minus 8 as minus and this value written as a positive value. Okay. No worries. Now in your book, both are having negative values. So how to write? Minus 8 upon 11 plus minus 5 upon 11. Now this plus minus will become minus. Minus 5 upon 11 minus 8 upon 11. Understood? Understood? If here plus sign is there and here the value is having negative sign, then it will be plus minus minus. Now take the LCM. 11. Now write down the numerators. Minus 8 minus 5. Yes. Now if both are having negative sign, both are having same sign and that is negative. So then you have to add them. You have to add them. Okay. 8 and 5. It is equal to 13. And sign will be negative. You have to add them, but sign will come off negative. Okay. So minus 11 upon minus 13 upon 11 is your answer. Right? Okay. Now, I'm giving you two parts. Okay. I'm giving you two parts. I want to check whether you're able to solve plus minus sign in the fraction or not. Okay. Let me give you some two parts. Okay. No need to write anything in the class. Okay. If any important thing we'll discuss in the class, then I'll give you that. Rest you will get everything in the PDF and in the videos. Okay. I'm giving you two parts. I'm giving you. One is part third. Third part is minus 7 upon 13 and 6 upon 13. Right? Right? This is your first part. And then I'm giving you part 6. This is minus 16 upon 15. Okay? And minus 1 upon 15. Yes, these two parts. Okay? First of all, solve this part, third part, quickly. Quickly. I'll call the names and you have to give me answer. Okay? Sparda, please remove the hand from the camera. I'm watching everyone. Yes, I've given something to do. Very good, very good. I'll call your names. Who has given the exact answer? Manvi, Dharya, very good. Adit and Manik. Adit and Manik. Okay, give me answers. Arman, I've given some questions to do. Pragya, Mishika, Manushi. Very good, very good. Chaitanya, Angel. I can't call all the names, okay? But whosoever giving me answer, it is absolutely correct. Avika, Avika, your sign is wrong. Okay, you have not put the same sign. And keep on reading the messages of yours, okay? So keep on writing. Resham, very good. Aniket, okay, very good. Anshuman, very good. Ashima, good. Very good. Manvi, good. Yuvraj, Hardik, very good. Okay, so let us start. Okay, you have given, most of students have given the correct answer. Very good, right? So let's start with this part. This is your LCM will be 13 because the denominators are exactly same. Okay, so it is 13. So write down the, now solve the numerator, -7 plus 6. Okay, -7 plus 6. You have to subtract. Okay, those who don't know this thing, who has joined the class with Galaxy M30? Galaxy M30. Okay, please join the class with your exact name from tomorrow onwards. Okay, join with your exact name and your section. It's not allowed. Now, 13 you have to write here. Okay, now if one value is negative, one is positive, then what you have to do? You have to do subtraction. Okay, 7 minus 6 is 1 and sign will be negative. Sign will be of the bigger value and bigger value is -7. Correct? Okay, so answer is -1/13. We can't reduce it furthermore. So this will be your answer. This will be your answer, right? So most of you have given the correct answer. I appreciate. Very good. Well done. Now here 15 and 15 again the same denominators. Write 15 one time. Okay. Now take the LCM. LCM will be 15. Now solve the numerators. -16 and -1. Okay. If this is minus, okay, and you have to do the addition. So addition and subtraction will be subtraction only. Okay. So 15 will be as it is. Now come to the numerator. -16 -1. Both are having the same sign. So you have to add both the values. -16 -1 is -17. 16 and 1 is 17 and sign will be minus. Sign will be negative. Okay, Tarini and Avni. Are you solving the questions? This will be your answer. Okay. Very good, Nirav. Yeah, Manvi, if you are able to cancel the terms furthermore, then you have to reduce the term. If we can't see now, -1/13, now it is not going on any same table, right? So we can't reduce it furthermore. Here again, both are not going on any table, so we can't reduce it furthermore. Wherever we can reduce, you have to reduce. Otherwise, this is your answer. Very good. Those who are writing that both answers are correct, I appreciate. Very good. Okay. Some are asking some doubts to me. Okay, whatever you have to write in the fair notebook, some are asking for that, I'll tell you, okay, how much you have to write. Now let's start with the properties. Let's start with the properties of rational numbers. Okay, right? So properties of rational numbers. This you have discussed in the class. This you have done in the class. Okay, so again I'm going to repeat this property. First is the closure property, because properties are very important. If you have done that, you have to revise once again. First is the closure property. Your second property is the commutative property. Okay, I'll tell you what are these properties. Commutative property. This you have done in your 7th grade as well, I think in the 6th grade also. After that, we are having associative property. Associative property. Right? Then we are having two properties that are based upon the like identity. Okay, then we can say that additive and the Manviyes. That we'll discuss later on. Okay, additive property, additive identity, and inverse. We are having these two properties. Additive. In the case of additive, two properties are there. Okay, one is the additive identity, and one is the additive inverse. Okay, when I was teaching in class 7th, okay, the second question second is what is additive inverse, and they're very confused. What we can say that additive inverse? They're very confused in this. Okay, so I'm telling you these properties you are going from 6th grade, 6th, 7th, 8th, in 9th also. Okay, you have discussed these properties. Now come to the closure property. Closure property is saying that it is saying that we can add any two rational numbers like a upon b and c upon d. We can add any two rational numbers. Okay, a upon b and c upon d. Then the sum of two rational numbers. When we add these two rational numbers, the sum will be again rational numbers. The sum will be again rational numbers. Suppose here is 1 by 2, here is 1 by 3. Okay, take the LCM. Whatever the LCM will be there, suppose it is 6. Okay, 2 3s are and 3 2s are. Okay, so answer will be 5 upon 6. They're saying that when you add any two rational numbers, your answer will be again rational number. Is it true or not? Is it true or not? You know that when you add any two rational numbers, okay, answer will be a rational number. Okay. So this is your first property, that you can add any two rational numbers, answer will be rational number. Now come to the commutative property. In the commutative property, what they're saying that when you add a plus b plus c upon d, okay, when you add this, okay, whatever the answer will be there, that will be exactly same if you add c upon d plus a upon b. Okay, firstly I have written a upon b, then c upon d, then I have written c upon d and then plus a upon b. Answer will be same. Answer will be exactly same. Whatever the left hand side will come, that will be absolutely same with the right hand side. Right? Adit, please set your camera once. It's not set properly. Your face is not visible to me properly. Adit. Right. Okay, now next is the associative property. Associative property, we have to solve the brackets. Okay, what they are saying, a upon b plus c upon d. Okay, you have to solve this bracket. Then you have to add in one more rational number plus e upon f. Okay, a upon b plus c upon d plus e upon f. Okay, you have to solve this bracket and then you have to add with the third rational number. Your answer will be equals to, if you will add a plus b later on, and then you have to solve the bracket c upon d plus e upon f. Are you getting my point? Here, see, in both the left hand side, here also left hand side, right hand side, values are same. Only I'm adding first of all this and this. Here I'm adding first of all this and this. Answer will be same. Okay, now comes to the associative property. What they're saying that these we'll discuss later on. Okay, what they're saying that here also all these three rational numbers are same. A upon b, c upon d, c upon d, e upon f, all are same. But here I'm going to solve this bracket first of all, and then I'll add with the third rational number. Here I'll solve this bracket, and then whatever answer will be there, I'll add with this rational number. My answer will be exactly same. My answer will be exactly same. That's why they have written that it is equals to. If answer will not be equal, then they will write not equal to. Okay? Why they have written the equals to sign? They're saying that both the answers will be exactly same. Okay? First of all, open the bracket and then add. or open this bracket and then add, answer will be same. Okay, just wait, let me read. Mayank, please check your connection. Please check your connection. Okay, now additive identity. What is the additive property? Last is the additive. Okay, I'm going to erase it. In the additive, there are two properties. One is additive identity. One is additive inverse. Okay, now what is the additive identity? Additive identity is if you are having a upon b rational number. Okay, if you will add 0 in that rational number, your answer will be 0 or that rational number. Please tell me quickly. If I add 0 in any rational number, my answer will be 0 or that rational number. Avika, Aniket. No. Yes, love, Dora, correct. Vanya, correct. I'm asking you when we will add 0. I'm not saying when we will multiply with 0. I'm saying add. Try to understand. Yes, correct. I'm reading all the answers. Keep on writing. Very good. Yes, some has given the correct answer, but in the beginning, some has given the wrong answers. Some are saying that answer will be 0. No. Look here, if you will add 0 and 1, answer will be 0 or 1. Obviously, answer will be 1. Okay, so there in additive identity, the meaning of this identity is if you will add 0 in any rational number, your answer will be that rational number only. Okay, and what they're saying in the additive inverse, they're saying that if you are having any rational number, okay, so how you can write the additive inverse of that rational number? Okay, your answer will be minus a upon b. Your answer should be minus a upon b, right? So this is the additive inverse of this rational number. Now I'm asking you some question regarding on the identity and on the inverse. Okay, let me check. Are you able to understand? So these 4 are the properties: closure properties, commutative, associative, and the additive, right? Now tell me, if I add 2 plus 3, 0, my answer will be 2 upon 3 plus 0. My answer will be very good. My answer will be 2 upon 3. Okay, so this is based upon which property? Here, which property we have applied? We have applied additive identity. Here we have applied additive identity. Okay, so now comes to the next property. Suppose it is minus 4 upon 6. Okay, what will be my additive inverse? What will be my additive inverse? Very good. Yeah, absolutely. Additive inverse will be plus 4 upon 6. Okay, you have to write down the same rational number, but you have to oppose the sign. Okay, minus will become plus, plus will become minus. You have to just oppose the sign. Okay, now if you add minus 4 upon 6 plus 4 upon 6, your answer will be always 0. Yes or no? Your answer will be always 0. Here answer will be same rational number. Here answer will be that same rational number. But in the additive inverse, your answer will be that 0. Okay, your answer will be 0. Now I'm writing here, suppose I'm having this rational number plus 5 upon 9. Now tell me what will be the additive inverse of this, of plus 5 upon 9. Very good. Absolutely. It is equal to minus 5 upon 9. Okay, don't change the value. Value will be same as it is. Only oppose the sign. Now plus 5 upon 9 minus 5 upon 9. Answer will be 0. Answer will be 0. Okay. Avika, just wait. Let me read what you are asking. Avika, one more thing I want to tell to everyone. Some are also confused in this. If this is your rational number, 5 upon 90, okay, 5 upon 90. Here sign is written here, minus 5 upon 19. It means your rational number will be negative. Okay, it means rational number is negative. If the sign is written in front of the denominator, then also your rational number is negative. If the minus sign is written in between both of them, again the rational number is negative. Okay, if it is minus 5 upon 19, that means it is minus 5 upon 19. This minus sign is the common sign. Minus sign is the common sign for numerator and denominator. If it is written in this way, 5 upon minus 19, then also it will be minus 5 upon 19. Okay? Harman, are you getting? Sit properly in the class. Okay, so the thing is that minus sign can be written anywhere. Okay? Whether it is in the numerator or in the denominator, that value will be negative. That value will be negative. That sign is a common sign. You can remove the sign from here and you can write in this way in front of both of them. Okay, you can remove the sign from here, you can write in between both of them. Okay, then you will be able to understand that it is a common sign for both. Okay, Purva and Rakshit, sit straight. Okay, so in this way you have to, first question you have done, that is based upon the same denominators. Okay, now your second question is there, in which you have to verify the questions. You have to verify these questions. Okay, I'm writing here first part. First part is it is having, I think, two parts it is having. Okay, minus 17 upon 11 plus 3 upon 7, it is equal to 3 upon 7 plus minus 17 upon 11. Okay, so you have to verify this question. Okay, this is the last question today we are doing in the class. Okay, after that, today you have to solve question 1. Please note down the homework. You have to solve this question in the practice notebook. Okay, today only. Question 1, question 2, question 3. Okay, question 4th and question 5th. In the question 3rd, again it is based upon verification. In question 4th, question 3rd is again verification. Question 2nd is verification. Question 4th is addition. Simply addition. Okay, and question 5th is very, very easy. You have to write the additive inverse. Additive inverse, right? Question 6th and 7th are the word problems that we'll discuss by tomorrow in the class. Okay, and I'll ask you if you will face any doubt from 1 to 5. Tomorrow we'll discuss in the class and then we'll move to 6 and 7 question. Okay, now in this verification of this question, this is the last part of today's class. Please sit properly in the class. Okay, those who have done all the questions, it is very good. Okay, you can revise these concepts once again in the practice notebook. Okay, and those who are having doubt, by tomorrow I'll discuss first of all doubts and then we'll start with the next questions. Okay, so how you have to solve? Right here, left hand side. Left hand side is minus 17 upon 11 plus 3 upon 7. Okay, take the LCM. LCM of 11 and 7 is how much? Quickly. Very good, 77. Okay, now 11 7s are 77 and 17 multiplied by 7 is equal to quickly 17 multiplied by 7 is equal to, very good, 119, and sign will be negative, plus 7 divided by 77, it is 11 into 3 is how much? 33. Very good. Now please tell me what is the subtraction answer. 119 minus 33, how much is the answer? Very good, 86. It's the answer. Okay, sign will be negative. So this is the answer of the left hand side. Okay, let's move to the right hand side. It is equal to LCM will be 77. Okay. Class is about to over. Okay. 7 and 11, 77. Now multiply with the numerator. It is equal to 7 11s are 33. And here minus sign will come. Minus sign will come in between. Okay. 11, 7 are 7 into 17. It is equal to how much? That is 119. Okay. Now subtract it. It is equal to minus 86 divided by 77. Both the answers same as it is. So you can write in this way. Hence left hand side is equal to right hand side. And hence we have verified. Hence we have verified. Okay. Don't write here proved, because it is a question based upon the verification. In this way, you have to solve second part, question third also based upon the same concept. Solve the left hand side and then solve the right hand side. Okay. Okay. So by tomorrow, I'll ask you the doubts from 1 to 5 question, 1 to 5 question, and then we'll move to the next questions. Okay. Nimrat, if the class is going on, you have to sit properly in the class. Okay. I can't point out everyone during the class. Right? Bye-bye and take care all of you. Tomorrow will come and you have to, tomorrow will come with